Amazon shoppers are hailing a luxurious cream that tackles all the signs of aging including fine lines and wrinkles, and it works after just 2 applications, says one shopper. The Retinol Moisturizer Cream by Cephison, which costs just £9.99, is said to be a luxurious skincare formula that contains active retinol. Its advanced formula has 2.5% active retinol which, according to the Amazon description, claims to be the strongest non-prescription retinol blend available on the market. The highly rated Retinol Moisturizer Cream, which boasts 4.3 stars out of 5 and almost 1,400 reviews, contains 98% natural and 71% organic ingredients which includes vitamins A, C and E as well as hyaluronic acid, jojoba oil and green tea extract. All of these work together to help improve uneven skin tone and texture by reducing fine lines, acne spots, dark circles, wrinkles and sun damage. As well as tackling the signs of aging, the Retinol Moisturizer Cream deeply moisturizes dehydrated skin, strengthens skin cells, boosts hydration levels, speeds cell turnover and restores lost elasticity. Join the Daily Records WhatsApp community here and get the latest news sent straight to your messages. They say, the strength of vitamin A, retinol, and antioxidant vitamins C and E will penetrate the skin surface, eliminate skin wrinkles, inhibit the development of damage, use day and night for make your skin soft, smooth and comfortable. And if you're not satisfied, there is a 30-day money-back guarantee. You can buy the Retinol Moisturizer Cream from Amazon here. Taking to the review section, one said, "It feels very smooth and nice smell. My skin is better after only 2 applications." Another added, "I am very happy with this cream, thick but very easily absorbed with no stickiness and feels great on your skin. Great value for money. This is a nice retinol moisturizer. Although it's only been a little over 2 weeks since I started using it, I can already notice a difference in my skin," a third said. "Not everyone loved it, with one noticing, I used to love this and would normally give it 5, but my latest one isn't the same as previously. It's thicker, whiter and has a stronger perfume. I'm not as keen on this now as I was. I might look for another product." Elsewhere you can buy this retinol serum by Eclat Skincare, which has received over 8,000 5-star ratings and is said to reduce wrinkles and fine lines, as well as making sunspots and dark circles less visible. Don't miss the latest news from around Scotland and beyond. Sign up to our daily newsletter.